we have here square root of x minus 2, and we have square root in denominator x minus 2, so we cannot have 0 in denominator, and we calculate square root of positive number, so x minus 2 must be greater than 0. So x must be greater than 2. And now, to solve this indefinite integral, we will substitute square root of x minus 2 by u. So let me write this. U is equal square root of x minus 2. Next, I will change this radical to power form. So we have u is equal x minus 2 to power 1/2. Why I change this? Because it's very easy to find out the derivative of both sides of our equation with respect to x. So we will have du to dx is equal derivative of power function we have on the right side, so we have to copy the power 1/2 times x minus 2. 2 power will be 1/2 minus 1, so it's negative 1/2. And derivative of function which is in parentheses, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of constant is 0. So we have in parentheses 1 only, so when we multiply this expression by 1, it doesn't change anything, so we don't have to do this. We do u substitution, so we have to find du. So I will multiply both sides of our equation by dx. Now we can reduce dx and dx, so we have du is equal 1/2, and we can change to square root this form, and because we have negative sign, so our square root is going to denominator dx. So now we see that we have du is equal 1/2 square root of x minus 2 dx. In our expression, we don't have 2 at the beginning. So in the numerator, we don't have 2. So I will multiply both sides by 2 to reduce this 2. So we will have 2 and 2 we can reduce. So we have that dx over square root of x minus 2 is equal to du. So now we can rewrite our indefinite integral to indefinite integral with respect to u. It will be e to power u and dx over square root of x minus 2 is equal to dE. So it will be times 2 du. We have multiplication here and we have constant. When we have indefinite integral and we have constant, we can take this 2 before indefinite integral, and we have indefinite integral of e to power u with respect to u. This is equal, of course, 2 times e to power u plus constant c. Because why? Because derivative of e to power u with respect to u is e to power u. It's the same function. So now we solve our indefinite integral with respect to u. At the beginning, we have our indefinite integral with respect to x, so we have to come back to our substitution. So this is equal to 2 times e to power square root of x minus 2 plus constant c. This is my solution.